In a high of 62 degrees yesterday. It was in the 50s for most of the afternoon, but temperatures did surge with the winds picking up late, and temperatures actually rose all evening. Right before the stroke of midnight, we got into the 60s and a high of 62 degrees, about 5 degrees above the norm. The low for yesterday was only 49, so we didn't really cool all that much, and morning temperatures are even warmer than that. Winds are still blowing strongly. South winds at about 15 in Asheboro, on average about 10 to 20 miles per hour. And the winds are starting to pick up in some of our western counties as well. They've been a little on the gusty side too. Gusts will continue to increase today, but we have had a gust of 32 miles per hour pretty consistently at PTI Airport this morning. Farther west, the winds are expected to get gustier today, especially as that front approaches. We do have a wind advisory that goes into effect at 1 o'clock this afternoon for both the mountains and the foothills. There, wind gusts could exceed 40 and get as high as 55 miles per hour today. That could cause some issues. We've had a little bit of rain that softened the ground a bit more, and when you add wind to that, some of those top-heavy trees could topple, and that could cause some scattered power outages. Also watch for blowing debris in those areas. The winds begin to subside this evening, but they'll change direction before that happens, bringing in a colder wind for later this evening. A few sprinkles are out and about today. I can't rule out a stray shower before the main line comes in. That's going to occur along the cold front. So we have warm surge of air out of ahead of it, driving temperatures to near 70 despite the cloud cover, and then colder winds replace that later this afternoon and into the evening hours. Now, strong storms have been ongoing all night long. Portions of Kentucky, Ohio, back into Pennsylvania, and even parts of West Virginia. I think the ingredients that have come together to bring about those strong storms will pull apart to some degree. We will have strong straight line wind possibilities, especially along any thunderstorms that pop up. And notice the forecast gusts looking pretty lofty. This model tends to increase those peak wind gusts a little bit more than what actually happens, but gusts over 40 will be a possibility. Notice as we start to see a change in the wind direction late in the afternoon and the evening, and I think after about 9, 10, 11 o'clock tonight, those wind gusts will start to come down. We're starting out the day close to 60 degrees. Sunday morning, we were in the upper 20s, so major changes there. Rain chances limited through the morning, start to pick up in the afternoon. Our impact window for rough weather will likely occur mid to late afternoon and perhaps even into the early evening, depending on the timing of that wave of rain coming in. Winds will be gusty throughout the day, even before that occurs, but we have an impact day in place for high rain chances for the triad. In the foothills and mountains, it is in fact in place for those high rain chances, but also for the gusty winds. Winds could gust as high as 45 miles per hour. Temperatures in the upper 60s in the foothills and upper 50s for the mountains today, with an early arrival of that rain, and that will start to diminish as we go into the dinner hour later on tonight. It will be a much colder day tomorrow. Temperatures bottom out near, if not below freezing, early Thursday, or in the 50s through Friday with increasing afternoon rain chances. Wet weather Friday night will begin to taper off early in the day on Saturday.